Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2019 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. This is a beautiful blade silver metallic with Z51 style wheels and Z51 style spoiler. It also has the NPP performance exhaust, so it sounds fantastic. We've got the roof off in the back here so that you can see that it fits nicely and locks into place. You've also got a little storage compartment under here, and in there is the gas door filler. So I'll just close this and lock it so that you can see that it locks into place. Beautiful, clean, tidy. Have a look in the frames. It's just really like a brand new car, 2019. And have a look at that exhaust from the back and the spoiler. That's a good look. So down the sides, no issues, perfectly kept. It's got the Z51 style wheels, black painted with the gray calipers. It's in fantastic condition. Have a look over here on the passenger side. A couple little marks on the scuff plate, but we'll polish a bit of that out. Nothing to worry about. It's just had a couple people in and out. So if you'll see, it's got the perforated leather seat inserts and baseball stitching, and it's all in fabulous condition. Let's climb in here, and I'll just show you inside the door frames as I'm climbing in to just show you that the books are there with the car, so you're good there. Nice baseball stitching, Bose sound system, and fantastic condition, just super clean and tidy. We'll close that door and you'll see the blade silver mirror, but it's got the carbon flash metallic badge package, so the badges are carbon flash metallic. Then here's your other front wheel, no curb rash, no issues there at all. Nice looking Michelin tires, painted calipers, painted rotors, and great tires, and the wheels have no curb rash, as you see. Under the hood is 460 horsepower of 6.2 liter V8 engine mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. It's super clean and tidy. As you can see, there's no corrosion. It's just like brand new. Have a look at the trunk mat, or pardon me, the hood mat there. It's in fantastic clean condition as well. We'll close this hood and I'll show you that it's got the Stinger hood stripe right there. So it's a nice matte black Stinger hood stripe. It looks fabulous. And here's the front, and we're just gonna survey around the front here, but I don't see anything to complain about here at all. That's water spots right there. That's just water from opening the hood. It's got the carbon flash metallic, the black emblems there, and the nice black grille. Looking fantastic. The headlights are clear and clean. Here's your other front wheel, no curb rash, no issues. Black painted Z51 style wheels with the gray painted calipers, and there's your carbon flash badging there again. And here's your back wheel, also clean, tidy, no curb rash, just fantastic. On the driver's door, you've got power windows, power locks, Bose sound system, and then power mirrors over here, power tilt and telescopic, and a nice leather wrap steering wheel with the flat bottom. Have a look at the seat. It's in fantastic condition. We haven't totally detailed this car just yet. It just came in, so there's a couple little marks on it that we'll tidy up and completely detail it with a toothbrush as we normally do. So let's climb in here and we'll just fire this one up for you. Wow, there's your NPP exhaust. That sounds fantastic. And we'll just let this come on for us. And you'll see it's got 8127 kilometers, so just 8,000 kilometers, but you'd never know it to look at the car. Fantastic condition. So over here, yes, change the oil. We're on our way to get that done right now. And over here, you'll see that it has Apple CarPlay. In your settings, you can go here, you can go driving mode, sound management, stealth, no noise. Then you can go back to sport, track, and have a lot of noise. So that's awesome. You've got OnStar navigation, but better than that is you've got your Apple CarPlay, which is right there. So as soon as you plug in, you have Apple CarPlay, so whatever's on your phone is on your screen. Speaking of the screen goes down, and inside there you've got a USB port. You can plug in and put your phone in there. Down here we've got a power outlet. We've got dual cup holders over here, and then in here we've got USB and line in and a power outlet in that little console there. Here's our automatic shifter, 8-speed automatic, and it's got the paddle shifters right up here. It's plus and minus so that you can use those. You've got cruise control right there. These are the controls for your dash. So if you just see this, we'll go over here, and we can switch this to performance in the middle, and that'll give us our performance gauges on either side. We can also switch this to audio, and then the audio will show up right there. Okay, so you see your stereo shows up in the middle. And then we can go here and our phone can show up in the middle. No phone connected, of course. And then our nav, if you have the OnStar nav, and then our options, we can have a bunch of different things show up there. We can change metric, sport, all those things, oil pressure, blah, blah, blah. So pretty cool. So all of the features are there. Those are operated by these 4 buttons right here. So we'll close this, and listen to that exhaust, fantastic. It's got the frameless rear view mirror with OnStar built in, and you've got dual visor vanity mirrors, all illuminated, so that's fantastic there. Nice baseball stitching on the dash and on the door panels, as you see right there. Have a look in the door frames as I'm climbing out. What a beautiful car. Now again, we're going to 5-step polish the car like we do every one of them. Put it over there up on the hoist so that we can work on it and make sure that we get right down to the rockers and make it nice and clean. So have a look at that. That is a fantastic looking car with that stinger stripe and the carbon flash metallic badging and the black wheels. Just survey down the side here as I did. There are no marks, no scratches, no scrapes, no bruises. It is just in fantastic condition. As we get to the back here, listen to that engine chug. That is amazing. I love the Z51 spoiler. That really adds to it. Nice looking car. Down the sides, clean, tidy, just fantastic. So there you have it, folks. That is a 2019 Chevrolet Corvette in blade silver metallic with the silver leather interior, titanium leather interior, and it's got the stinger hood stripe. What a great looking car. It's here and available at MunroMotors.com. Hey, come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. I look forward to seeing you real soon.